All right, guys. So if you're looking for passive income, dividends, right? This is a really good video for you because we're going to talk about energy stocks, which I think that everybody should have some exposure to energy stocks. And the additional value add component here is the dividend component. And so I already own a few of these and looking to maybe add some more of these to my portfolio. So let's get into this. As I said, I always jump right into this. So four energy stocks that give you decades of passive income dividends. Okay. So the first one is, excuse me, Enterprise Products Partner, ticker is EPD. You can see that we've got a pretty nice, significant move up since, look at this, since 2021. So your last 5 years. Very, very nice gains. We used to be trading at about $16 and now obviously trading at 37. So looking at pretty nice. Okay, so dividend yield is 5.65%, and they're currently running at 12.8% gross margin. So if you don't know who Enterprise Products Partners is, they are a master limited partnership that has increased the distribution for 27 consecutive years. The second one that we've got here for you, as I said, for a dividend component here is Enbridge. And they are looking at their stock right here. So trading back in 2021, $28, and now obviously way back up to $53. So good, nice move there. Dividend yield of 5.16%. Everybody should have dividend stocks in their portfolio. And I do like coupling that with the energy sector. I think everybody needs exposure to energy, to oil and gas, things of that nature. So that's the second one. Enterprise has that distribution yield of 5.7, and Enbridge is 5.4 actually right here. Okay. They're not fast growing businesses, guys, but that's the point, right? You want really good, stable returns. This is proven to show you really good, stable returns on these stocks. Again, they're not AI stocks. They're not going to be, going up massive percentages every year, things of this nature. But again, diversification, right? That's the best part of the name of the game here. And you give up a little bit, I think, to get that dividend component. Okay, so oil exposure. I think these are the two biggies in oil exposure. It's ExxonMobil and Chevron. So let's take a look at ExxonMobil's chart. You can see trading back in 21 was trading about $50, and today it's trading at 148. So a 3x scenario there. Dividend yield not as high. We're running at about a 2.68% there on that dividend yield for ExxonMobil. And the other one was Chevron. Chevron stocks have been a little bit more choppy, a little bit more volatility here. So looking back in early 21, $86 and $188. So we got more than a doubling there, just about a doubling scenario there, and a dividend yield of 3.67%. Okay, so again, you're getting that energy exposure and the oil exposure with all of these and these four passive income stocks. So what do you think of what I've given to you here? I would love to hear your comments, your thoughts. I think ultimately you need to have a really good diversified portfolio. I think that's one of the kind of cornerstones of this. So I love coupling the dividend component of the energy component. So remember I just gave you 2 oil stocks and 2 energy stocks. Again, just kind of a diversification. You don't have to put a lot of money in this, but that dividend yield comes in just repeatedly, just kind of comes in and just kind of continues to compound. And compounding is a big, big thing. Just the more and more you have, it compounds over time. Okay, so there you go. So check those out. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe on your way out. And I appreciate you, and more videos on the way as always. Thanks. Bye.